If you already love baking at home, then you know the dilemma of using whole vanilla beans, which gets pretty expensive. But then the standard liquid vanilla just doesn't exactly give you your desserts that rich, gourmet, speckled look. So this was gifted to me from the brand, and this is a 4-ounce vanilla bean cake to test out. And I love simple baking hacks that just make a massive visual difference. And I am actually genuinely impressed. So let's get into the deep dive of the top 3 questions that you might have that every baker I love to bake has about this paste. So the first big question is, what makes vanilla bean paste better than standard vanilla extract or the whole beans? So what paste does is it gives you the best of both worlds. So a nice presentation, super nice value, and it's packed with real vanilla seeds. So adding those classic, beautiful black vanilla seed specks just directly into your batters and frostings for that professional bakery nice look. And it has a really smooth consistency, similar to a maple syrup, which I'll show you in just a minute, that mixes really effortlessly. We're going to make some frosting so you can see in that white frosting exactly what you're going to get. And this is a fraction of the cost because it's not the vanilla beans. So how do you swap it in and out of your favorite recipes? And what do you bake with it? How is converting it? How does it go? So this is just super easy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste equals 1 teaspoon of your standard vanilla extract. So pretty much same thing. So half of a whole vanilla bean, or it's half of a whole vanilla bean. So you can use it in your cookies, cupcakes, and shortbread, banana breads, wherever you want it to shine and showcase the dessert. Homemade ice cream, your custards, puddings, frostings, creme brulee. Those are going to be like the gorgeous little specks is going to pop. Does this need to be refrigerated? Is it gluten-free? No refrigeration is required. Once you open it, you can just store it next to your other vanilla extracts and vanilla everyday baking stuff. Okay, so I am getting ready to make some frosting. And again, you can see the ingredients here. And actually, it tastes really good. I tasted it by itself. There's no alcohol in it. So, like the regular extract, it doesn't have that alcohol taste. You can see it's like a thick, syrupy, it's just a lot thicker than your typical extract, but still thin enough to mix up well. So, as I'm mixing up the butter, I will add, you can add, your flavor, how you like it with your frosting, or really any of your other dishes. But it's, again, the comparison is pretty equal, 1 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon as you'd use it with extract, same thing. So I mixed it in and then I actually added a little bit more to it once it mixed up because I wanted to see more of the brown bean specks in it. And as you can see, it goes through. I will show you a spoon here in just a second. And then you'll be able to see as it comes together the actual color. And so here's where I added a little bit more because I just wanted to see a little bit more of that bakery type look. And then as I bring it closer to the camera, you can see the speckles in it right there. So super pretty and it tastes really nice. It's mild. It's not like a strong flavor at all. And it was really nice to be able to try this paste. I will use it in many recipes. It's completely gluten-free and it's formulated to keep its perfect syrup-like texture shelf-stable for whatever inspires you. If you are ready to elevate your home baking, making your desserts look like they came straight out of a French pastry shop, but also saves you a bit of money and time scraping beans out, this paste is such an absolute kitchen must-have if you are a baker. Elevate your baking skills and try this out today. Hopefully this answers some questions. We'll see you next time.